The message is very loud and clear. The Modi government and the BJP party, they want to divert the attention from the real problems and issues being faced by the citizen of the country. Now with elections around the corner, be it in Gujarat, be it in Bihar, West Bengal, Kerala, with these elections around the corner, they want to hush up their failures. And with the help of Godi media, they want to divert the attention from the real issues. What is the issue? What is this hangama and what is the charge? It is a fake case. All the allegations being made, as we have seen in the TV and the newspaper of the Godi media, all allegations are baseless. But they want to drag on. They want to make Modi ji and his party will be making this an issue in the elections. देखिए भ्रष्टाचार इतना गंभीर है, कांग्रेस का मेन दो नेता नेत्री इसमें जुड़े हुए. This is the narrative they want to create by dragging the attention of the common people from the main issue they're facing. This is nothing. Without any money being transferred, without an inch of property being transferred, with no money trail on record. What is this case for? What is this case for? This is just an utter nuisance to harass the sanctity of the two leaders who are neat and clean. कोई तो मुद्दा इनके पास नहीं है, तो छवि खराब करना, इनके ऊपर कीचड़ फेंकना, यही तो असल कारण है. तो कांग्रेस will fight it in the streets, in the court and everywhere.
So what are the main issues you feel at this point of time?
The main issues obviously are of the farmers, obviously are of the laborers, obviously of the unemployment, obviously shattered economy of the country, obviously of the hike or spurt in essential commodities. These are the main issues. They don't want to have any debate. They want to go back to the medieval period. What is the issue? Aurangzeb has become the issue. So people of India, उनको असली, उनके पास हीरा है, उनके पास असल हीरा है. दुख की ये बात है कि नशा, धर्म का नशा इन पे इतना चढ़ गया कि असली हीरा को वो समझ नहीं पा रहा है और कांच का टुकड़ा को वो हीरा मानने लगा है. कांच का टुकड़ा को वो लोग हीरा मानने लगा है, और जो हीरा कुछ देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं, असल मुद्दा पे बात करना चाहते हैं, राहुल जी, देर हो रहा है इनको पहचानने में, लेकिन जरूर पहचानेगा. यू कैनॉट कीप और मेक फूल of all the people all the time. Time is coming when people will revolt, as it has happened in neighboring countries, be it in Sri Lanka or anyone else. This time is coming for them.
Thanks.